daryeel bay idin tahay gudaha nafta waa u dabiibay ka dambeeya durbaanka noo tuma. Yeah. So we are Somali originally. We live in Netherlands originally. We UK. We sing hip hop, Somali traditional music.
I mean, whom is whom? I'm from Jamaica.
Jamaica. Yeah. Let's also go to Jamaica. Yeah. Our God said, "Inna ja'alnakum shu'uban wa qaba'ila lita'arafu. Inna akramakum 'inda Allahi atqakum." That means we make you to know each other, to know what you are.
It's time to connect. It's nothing but the positive vibe I felt when I came in the room and shook everybody's hand. It just feels like a family. You know what I'm saying? So let's do it, man.
We created the first Somali hip hop band.
Everyone. Yeah.
We started music when we are 16, 14 years. Now is one of the artists, the greatest artist in the world.
First musician after Somali Civil War.
We don't have money to go to the studio, so we do some freestyle jamming. And then Waayaha come step by step, a lot of interview, Al Jazeera, Somali television, Somali radio. So we see this our dream come true.
Waayaha, it means new era. No one can believe it, a Somali musician is performing life like this.
The general of song is love. Good things.
It's a love song, but love it's good, but it's like you gotta add some gangster. Music really has no language. Your music works off a vibe. That's the best thing. That's the power of music.
Okay, that's innocent.
Dirty Founder, you give me butterflies, yeah. I just wanted to run it. Now I'm getting no kind of checks like the first to make.
After 2006, extremists they control Somalia. Shabab, they say we are a spy from America, and they say if you don't stop, we will kill. They came to my house and they hosted everybody in the house. We start to fighting between the door. These people they have guns, so they took me and they shot me. After that, I don't remember anything. People sometimes they say you are not Muslim, you are non-believers. We are Muslim. That's the reality. The reality is treating is that's the part of our lives. From the beginning up to now is part of our lives. Al-Shabaab is not Somali, and Somali is not terrorism.
After 2 weeks, we release another song to show them we cannot stop.
Export replay, cause the funky sound. We're trying to break the country, look at my country well.
What we believe, that all human one. So that's the way God created human being.
I've been nigga never stop us. Sipping lean, I twisted up with the dirty founder. Give me